Today I'm going to show you how you can save money when using tactical arbitrage. They have a new pricing plan that can offer you a significant discount, especially if you go to the annual plan and if you're looking to spread your payments out more frequently to save money in terms of not having to pay a monthly fee all at once or an annual fee all at once. Then they do have weekly plans as well now. So this is allowing every single person to be able to afford tactical arbitrage and to be able to grow their online business. And like the front page on tactical arbitrage says, sourcing products for FBA has never been so easy. So selling on Amazon FBA is a very profitable business. As you've seen in my previous videos, I make a significant amount of money from selling on Amazon FBA, and the majority of the products that I find are found directly through tactical arbitrage. So this allows me to search through a ton of different websites and find profitable products without having to hire a ton of virtual assistants or do a lot of legwork myself, because tactical arbitrage does that for you. So if you go back a few years ago before tactical arbitrage existed, then you had to do all the sourcing manually. So for online arbitrage, it was a lot more difficult and there was a lot less competition at that time. Now that tactical arbitrage is around, there is more competition, but you're going to find way more products. And with that being said, you're going to make a lot more money. So yeah, you can get started for free. I'll put a link in the description below. Use the coupon code Amazon and eBay Guru, all one word, and you'll get a 10-day trial instead of the 7-day trial for absolutely free, no obligation. So when we go into pricing here, we can see that now they offer a weekly, monthly, and yearly plans. So here is the plans for monthly. So this is what they've always had. They've always had the monthly plans, and then I'll walk you through the other plans as well. So the first one is the flip pack. So that includes Amazon flips and library search. And once again, if you just come to the website, then you can get a 7-day trial. But if you go through my link and then use the coupon code, then you'll get the 10-day trial. The next one is wholesale. So that just includes wholesale. Next is online arbitrage. So for $89 a month. And these are all in US dollars. Product search and reverse search. So this is a good one. Definitely a good one to have. And then there's the online arbitrage and wholesale. So that includes product search, reverse search, and wholesale. The most popular is online arbitrage, but honestly, I really do recommend full suite because it gives you access to all of these. And if you add the prices up, so you think that it would be 109 plus 69, so it would be like around $180, whereas you get it for 130. So definitely a lot better deal to go with a full suite, especially if you're going to be using all of these. But if you just are looking to do online arbitrage, then this is going to be your subscription that you would want to go with. Now, like I said, if you don't want to have to pay like an 89 or 129 all at once, then you can go into the weekly plan. So now they have a weekly plan. So for the flip pack, $18.95, and wholesale, same thing. And then online arbitrage is $24.95 a week. So you are still paying a little more per month, but you split it up into 4 weekly payments rather than 1 monthly payment. And then you can get the online arbitrage and wholesale for $30, and then the full suite for $35 a week. So that comes to $140, and if you do it like this, it's $130. So you're not really paying too much more, only $120 more per year. So I like the weekly plans now that they have that, because you can make, say, I don't know, $500 in a week selling on Amazon, and then you can put that portion to the payment rather than having to pay it all at once in a monthly payment. And then if you already have an Amazon business, you've already built it up and you have a little bit of extra money to invest, then the best way to save money using tactical arbitrage is to use the annual plans. Now the annual plans are significantly cheaper than other plans, so it works out to be $100 a month for this full suite, but you do have to pay it all upfront at once. But if you know you're going to be selling on Amazon, like for me, I've been using this software for years now. It's not like I'm going to suddenly stop using it. I'm always going to be using this. So with that being said, the annual plan for me would make the most sense because I can save a decent amount of money to pay it all up front. For the full suite, it's just $100 a month. And then if you look at these, they're around $50 a month. So it is a good price. It is like good if you do have the money up front. If you don't, then you can go to the weekly plan. But it's nice that Tactical Arbitrage is trying to meet everyone's needs, and not everyone has $1,000 or $1,200 to put up front. So now they have the weekly plan where you can just pay it every week, and that allows more and more people to be able to use Tactical Arbitrage and to succeed with selling on Amazon FBA. And sorry, guys, that I haven't posted in a little bit. I just got off a 7-night Alaska cruise from Vancouver, so it was pretty neat. I went from Vancouver all the way up to Alaska, did 3 stops in Alaska, then came back to Vancouver. Nicest thing for me was I didn't have to fly anywhere because I live just outside of Vancouver. So I was able to drive to the cruise terminal and get on there, go do the cruise, come back, not have to fly anywhere. So that was really nice. But that's why I haven't posted for the last week or so. But this is allowing you to get tactical arbitrage. And if you always thought maybe you thought it was too expensive, or you weren't sure if it was really going to work for you, why not give the week plan a try? Do the 10-day trial, and after that, do the weekly plan. If it doesn't work out for you, then you can cancel after that week, and you're only out, say, 19 or 25 or $35 rather than paying that whole monthly fee. But like I said, guys, I've been using this software for years, and it is I would say it's the best software that I use in conjunction with Storefront Stalker Pro. So with those two being combined, Tactical Arbitrage is definitely the best software I use for my Amazon FBA business because it allows me to find so many profitable items to resell on Amazon. And once again, if you guys aren't a member of Tactical Arbitrage yet, or you don't know exactly how it works, make sure you check out my other videos. I go into a lot of detail and explain how to do kind of everything on Tactical Arbitrage at a beginner level. And then if you are looking to get more advanced, then I do have the FBA Freedom course where I do go step by step into how to grow an Amazon FBA business and reach 6 or 7 figures in revenue like I do every single year. So those are kind of your options if you do want to learn from me, either with the free YouTube videos or the paid course, but everything will be linked in the description below. And the other things that Tactical Arbitrage accounts include, it includes free access to the friendly community. So that's a Facebook group, which is awesome if you do have any questions. And once again, you can always ask questions in the comments below to me as well. If you do have any questions about how Tactical Arbitrage works or how you want to grow your Amazon FBA business, I do also do one-on-one coaching calls. So that's via Skype, and I help my students out there and people who are not students who are just looking to schedule a call and ask me some questions or want me to look at their store and tell them which products are going to be profitable or which products they should buy, stuff like that. If they have a list of products they found from Tactical Arbitrage, sometimes I'll just go through those when I'm on a call with them and say, okay, yeah, this is going to be a good buy this many of them. And with my expertise of selling on Amazon for 6 or 7 years now, I am able to give them advice and help them to purchase the products that are going to be profitable for their business. It includes unlimited support via email or chat, and this is also included in the Facebook group because they have moderators that go through and answer all your questions as well. But you can also contact them via email or chat. And then with your Tactical Arbitrage subscription, you also get access to all the new features and updates. And for those of you who don't know the creator of Tactical Arbitrage, Alex Moss, he goes over and above and always is putting out new content for Tactical Arbitrage and putting new features and really always trying to make Tactical Arbitrage even better than it already is. So that's why it's always a great time to get into Tactical Arbitrage if you haven't started already, because once you're in, and you're going to continuously get the new features and updates that Alex is coming up with his team. Then it also gives you access to the video tutorials on their site, which are quite basic. I would say the videos on my YouTube channel go in a bit more in depth than the ones that they offer for free, but the ones in my course go even more in depth. So then it also includes discount and cost calculations. So you can say a store has a 10% discount. You can put the discount in and it will calculate that discount and let you know which products are going to be profitable based on the 10% off of the entire site. That's just an example, but you can do a lot of different customizations to meet whatever sale or promotion that retailer has. It has image matching technology, so which is really nice because if you don't have a UPC site, if you're just using a title match site, it will do title match and image match. So basically the software Tactical Arbitrage will match the images to ensure that they are going to be the correct items and a proper match, and let you know which products are actually going to be profitable, and those products that they do show up as being profitable are actually going to be the correct items. So that's something that has really improved since I started on Tactical Arbitrage. I know there used to be a lot of mismatches when I first started out, but now there are hardly any, and that's really helped cut down the search time on Tactical Arbitrage as a result of that. Then you get simultaneous scanning. This is a new feature that I talked about when it first came out. I don't remember exactly how long it's been around now, but you can run up to 10 searches at once, which really took Tactical Arbitrage to the next level because I used to be able to only run one search at a time. So now that I could run 10 at a time, it has 10x'd the amount of products that I've been able to find. Competitor stock analysis, estimated sales, and rapid cache scanning. So with that being said, there are a lot of benefits with joining Tactical Arbitrage, and the main benefit is it's going to definitely pay for itself once you start purchasing the items that you buy through the searches that you've ran. And the absolute key is to make sure that you always have 10 searches running at once. That is going to allow you to get the most out of the program, Tactical Arbitrage, and it's going to allow you to find the most amount of profitable items to resell on Amazon FBA. And there are a couple routes you can go. You can either get the item sent to your house or your condo or wherever you're living, or you can get it sent to a prep center. So you have those couple options, and I go a lot more in depth in my other videos and in my course about this, so make sure you check those out. But yeah, so basically this kind of explains each level, which I kind of already talked about, and I would recommend between these top two. So either the full suite, that's my main recommendation. I recommend getting the full suite because then you can use Tactical Arbitrage to the fullest of its potential. But if you're looking to save a little bit of money, then I definitely recommend Online Arbitrage for the product search and reverse search, because that allows you to take the software to almost the fullest of its potential. You don't get to use everything like the wholesale and library search and stuff like that, but you do get access to reverse search and product search, which are the two searches that I do run the most. But I do recommend having Storefront Stalker Pro if you're going to get the full suite or Online Arbitrage pack, because that Storefront Stalker Pro is what you really need to get the most out of the reverse search, and it will allow you to search through the top 100,000 products of each sales rank, and it reverse searches those to see where you could purchase those from and buy them at a profit to resell on Amazon. So that's a huge feature, and so I'll put a link in the description below for Storefront Stalker Pro as well, because you're going to need that to have the most success with Tactical Arbitrage. But for today, I just wanted to make this quick video going over the weekly, monthly, and yearly plans. So it kind of depends what your financial situation's at. If you are looking to go to the weekly or the yearly, it's an easy switch over, and definitely recommend doing whichever one's going to be the best fit for you. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.